Hello donors, I'm Miss Hayes. This is a little short video just to express my gratitude and my appreciation for everything that you have done for my students this year. My students received an iPad, 6 headphones, and a case of paper. The iPad has helped added a new station to our classroom. So we already have the computer station. It just has allowed one more student to get on to Lexium. The headphones have helped my students to be able to hear. In the previous years, the headphones were old, so some of them would go out. Some of them had like a little shortness, so we were having problems with that last year. And the case of paper has helped tremendously because this year we had to create a lot of packets for our students, and I like to try to individualize the packets. So I was able to do some cut and paste activities. I was just able to create a packet without asking for more paper. Because right now it's November, and because of you guys, I still have a good bit of paper to last until December before we're given a new case in January. So just an appreciation post. Thank you guys. I love you, and my kids love you. I wish they were able to be in this video and to express how much they love having the iPad and how much they love being able to have use the headphones and to know that they're actually going to work. Just thank you again, and you will hear from me in the future.